Oh, sure enough, it's FW. How you guys doing? No, it's been real slow this morning, man. We were out this morning. We got out here, what, daylight. Yep. Freaking wind, man.
Supposed to get to like 10 to 15 today.
Yeah. I gotta pull up my app. Just give me a second.
Official board in the course?
Nah, you can check them if you want to check them out. Hey, this is just round. Nothing in there. Okay. That's just drinks. Yep. Cool.
Can we take a look in the live?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yep. Yeah, there's some pinfish in there.
All right. Broke off on you guys right there?
I think it was one of the snook for sure.
On that dock light this morning.
Fire extinguisher, full.
Life jackets.
Yeah, life jackets are up front. Ashton, you're gonna pop that open. You can show him. I usually go through all the stuff. I'm pretty sure we got everything on board.
You have the Type 4 throw open.
Is that good?
Yeah. Okay. Warner whistle.
Yeah, I got a whistle right here.
All right.
Cool.
Read the instructions on the back.
Thanks, sir.
Hey, we appreciate it, guys.
Yep.
Have a good day.
Yeah, man. You too.